Good morning. It is Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. It is currently cold out there. I think it's 41 now. But unfortunately, my garden did not make it in the frost last night. We had covered certain things with these burlap bags, thinking, because they were thick enough, thinking it would cover them. The stuff under the plastic was fine, but the rest just died. So I lost 2 tomatoes, all my peppers, my squash, my cucumber, everything. So that's unfortunate, but what you gonna do? I mean, I didn't think this shit was gonna come in the end of May, but unfortunately it did. Now I don't even want to plant anything because who the hell knows what's gonna happen, if this is gonna happen again and again and again, or I mean, those veggies weren't that expensive, luckily, but still in all, it's a little bit disappointing. But they did more excavating work yesterday. I was not feeling good at all last night, so I didn't even know anything was happening. Like, I had that spell, I went in the shower and laid in my bed, and I vlogged my exit, and that was it. Then I was done. I feel like crap right now. And I look as pale as a ghost. Ooh, yeah, I look really pale. I don't feel good. I have a cough starting, everything's just draining, my head hurts. I was supposed to have therapy today at 3, but my therapist is out sick as well, so it's scheduled for tomorrow at 1. And if I am sick as I am today, I probably won't be going in tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a virtual session, which I'd be okay with that too. But yeah, I'm tired today. Tonight's dinner is cold subs sandwiches. I just got to get everything for them. And yeah, I'm tired. I'm angry. I'm mad. Everything is just against me. And it's not fair. But life goes on. That's what happens. It's not like I lost hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of plants. That's why I said I'm waiting until this shit's done. My little plants here are doing well. I'm keeping them in here. They loved the sun yesterday, but now I'm keeping them in here because it's cold. They don't appreciate it. Neither do I. But, yeah. So, that's kind of what happened this morning. I was laying in bed for a long time this morning. I just didn't want to get up. I was in and out of sleep. I'm really tired. I don't feel good. I think my allergies are turning into a cold, or it's something else. I don't even know. Then I slept wrong and my neck is sore. I just can't win. If it's one thing, it's 10,000 others for me. I got my stuff for work taken care of, so that's done. Now I just wait to hear back, and that's that. I'm done. I'm ready for the school year to be done. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready to start fresh in the fall. Whether it's my part-time job or full-time, whatever it is, it's work. It's better than nothing. I mean, it is what it is. I can't change anything about it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go for a walk today. I just don't feel it. I just feel blah. I feel worse today than I did yesterday. I just don't have any energy. I'm tired. I can feel myself going down. So I don't know how much of a vlog you guys are gonna get today. I honestly don't know. I don't know what today is gonna bring. I know I'm gonna have to go out to the garden and rip all that shit out of there. And I mean, I do think one of the peppers is okay, but I think I'm gonna just bring it in here in its green pot and just, store everything in here for the time being in the heat. Maybe that's just what they need, some heat. I'll try to save some of this stuff. A greenhouse would be nice. That's almost what I need this time of year. Would be a greenhouse to put everything in. Oh well. I can't make it let it ruin my whole day. It is what it is. I did start watching some of my vlogs last night, but I was so tired I didn't even finish half of them. I finally woke up about midnight. I came out here to shut the outside light off and check on everything before I went to bed to make sure, Because ever since I almost had that fire out here from that TV, I always check on it before bed because I get nervous. This coffee is helping my throat. But yeah, so I don't know what's going to happen today. All I know is I'm disappointed about my garden. Can't do not much about it. I can't sit here and fret and put myself in a frenzy about it because it ain't gonna do anything. I just want warm temperatures. I want the nights in the 50s or high or low 60s. And I want the days to be sunny at 75. Like, that is the ideal weather for me. I mean, I don't mind a hot day here and there, but I don't know. So yeah, that's this morning. Disappointment. Well, I went and uncovered the tomato on the deck, and I noticed it was dead. And it was covered with the burlap bag. So I knew for sure that everything else that was covered by it was gonna get it. And it did. It did. Oh, God. Oh, well. I know I'm gonna be on that all day now, kicking myself in the arse because I did that, but oh well. It shouldn't be like this in May. That's just the bottom line. Though, I was looking at my memories on Facebook, and we did have a measurable snow. This time, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, I can't remember what it was. And then I think 2 years ago, we had a snowstorm in the beginning of May. So, I mean, it's not unusual, but oh well, it is what it is now. I don't feel good today. I don't. I feel like shit. Like, I just want to lay on the couch all day and not do a thing. Just sleep. My head is pounding. It hurts just to stand up. It does. If this keeps up, I'm going to have to go back to the doctors and be like, yeah, things are getting worse for me. She did say if I wasn't feeling better to come back in, but I'll give it some time and see what happens. But yeah, so tonight's dinner is cold subs with chips and a soda, just like Subway. It's going to be Subway night. I am going to make bread. I'm going to make my own bun. I'm going to use the rest of those Philly cheesesteak hoagie buns that I got. And I'm going to make a jalapeno bread, and then I'm going to make an Italian herb and cheese bun, like Subway. I'll do it my own way and see how it works. So that'll be fun. I'm kind of interested to see what comes of it. I'll toast the bun a little bit, but I'm not going to toast it with the stuff. Well, I could. The only thing I put in it is salami. We'll see. I like making my homemade bread though. Well, not homemade buns, but if I had like a bun pan that I could make them, I would. I would make my own, but and yeah. So that's about all that's happening this week. And then the sandwiches will be for lunch throughout the week because I have other dinner ideas throughout the week. But usually my leftovers from the night before is always lunch the next day. And that's it. I don't eat leftovers for days. I can't. I'm lucky I eat leftovers for lunch the next day, but I don't want to waste it. Phil used to make tons of food, like for a family of 10. So after he left, it was because he could eat, and so, I mean, I would too, but he ate more than me. So, I mean, we wouldn't have leftovers. Now that he's gone, it's just me most of the time eating everything. So now I've learned to make pretty much for one or two people. But that's hard because I don't sell anything. Everything's family sized or... So that's what I said. Like I said, those 5 or 4 pounds of hamburger I get lasts me almost 2 months. I don't really go through it that much. And I mean, I made hamburgers. I did hamburger helpers, which I'm going to do this week. But I can't remember what day I'm doing that. I think tomorrow. So I'll have to take the burger out at some point today. But yeah. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I don't know. My mind's everywhere. I'm just rambling on again. But I don't know what today is going to bring. I have to do something productive today, even though I don't want to. I know it's supposed to start raining. I know it's supposed to get super, super, super windy today. And then it's supposed to start raining, I think, tomorrow. I don't even know. But I have that appointment tomorrow, I know. So that'll break up the afternoon. Yeah. I was going to say something. Now I can't remember what I was going to say. I don't know. Totally gone. That's been happening to me a lot. I have to be productive today. That's where I was getting with that. What I'm going to do, I don't know. But yeah. I know my show comes on tonight on TLC, 1,000 Pound Sisters. I love that show. But yeah, so it's going on 10 o'clock now. Like I said, I did sleep in. I shouldn't have, but I did. Because what else is there to do? It's supposed to get windy today. That's why I'm just leaving those plants in the shed here because... Yeah, I know the hummingbird feeders need to be cleaned today too. So I'll put new food in there for them and... That's about it. I think I'm going to take a hot shower at some point this morning. And maybe that'll help empty me out. I don't know. I know what I was going to say. When I sat by the fire on Sunday, when we had the solo stove fire, some of that wood had like mushrooms and mold and stuff on it from being wet. And I think when it burns, it goes into the smoke. And I had breathed some of that smoke in, and that's when I got really sick. That's when I noticed my symptoms had gotten a lot worse. So maybe that's why I am getting worse. I'm allergic to everything. You know how many times I've told that doctor of mine that I want to get an allergy test done. So I know exactly what it is that's causing it. It's just seasonal allergies. I said, yes, but I said, why do I get these weird, like, spells? I said, sometimes after I eat things. Why do I get sick after I eat? Is it something in the food I'm eating? I mean, I would like to know more. No, they don't listen, so the hell with it. I guess if I croak, I guess I croak. I'm done arguing. I'm done with it all. I'm burnt out, like I said, so everything in life just, I'm tired of it. Just whatever, then. That's how I feel right now, and it's not good. But, oh well. That's life for you. So I'm going to log off now. It's 15 minutes of me rambling on. So I will check in with y'all this afternoon. Welcome back. I forgot we have to do a weather report for today. So, what is the weather today? What is the weather today with Adam? Yeah. So, this is what the weather is right now. It's currently 43 degrees. Feels like 37. It's supposed to be 40 degrees tonight. So not as cold. So I can still cover everything, but I don't have to worry about it getting like 28 degrees. It's supposed to be cloudy, that's why. And the allergies are really bad today. Yep. And I'm feeling it. It says the trees are low, but then it says allergies are high today, so. And cold and flu is low, so. So our daily forecast looks to be improving as the week goes on. Obviously we have rain coming. And then it looks to get right back up again. Then we're in the 60s, which is okay because I go back to work. But yeah. There it is. A mix of sun and clouds. Clouds and sun during the morning will give way to cloudy skies this afternoon. High 48. Winds east northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles an hour. It's going to be a gusty day. Same thing tonight. So that's what we have today. So thanks for watching. So that was today's forecast. Gusty winds and cloudy skies. That's what it is today. So I don't know what I'm going to do today. I just feel blah. I'm hoping a hot shower kind of helps me. I know one thing I have to do. I have to fix the tiki torch things up on the deck. Because they're not lined up and it bugs me. So I'm going to put them in different places this time. And see what happens. So I will check back with you later. Hi everyone. Welcome back. So it's afternoon right now. I just showered and kind of put some hot water on me to see if that would help loosen anything up. It helped a little bit, but I still feel really crappy. I mean, really crappy. I feel it in my head today, so I'm not doing much. Outdoors sucks. Hopefully this passes soon. I don't know. I don't know what to take, what to do. Yeah. So right now I'm currently watching 16 Candles. I'm going to watch some of it at least and then continue later. Looks to be a good show, so I'm going to watch it and see what happens. See if I like it. I know a couple of the characters and they're from the Breakfast Club, so. But yeah. So I'm just eating lunch right now. A frozen dinner. But it does the job. I'm just, if I could just lay down and sleep right now, I would. But I'm forcing myself to stay up and do something, but I really don't want to. I'm just really tired and exhausted. My body's tired. And it's telling me. But yeah, so I'm going to continue eating my lunch here and watching my movie, and then I'll stop back later. Hi you all, welcome back. Just got done cutting the grass. I needed some fresh air. I've been feeling under the weather today. My allergies are just kicking my rump roast. But I just had my cold sub for dinner. And it was really good. I made Italian herb and cheese bread. Homemade. Actually, I liked it better than Subway's, to be honest with you, but that's because I made it. So the grass is cut now for a couple days and it'll grow right back up again. I'm going to probably go for a quick walk, maybe halfway, depending how I feel. And yeah, it's gusty and cold out right now. Then I have to cover the garden, and then I'm going to shower, get all the pollen off of me, and then I guess we're FaceTiming tonight, so I don't know what time, but I don't know how long I'll be on there either. I'm so tired I could just sleep. But yeah, so that's the afternoon so far. I guess we'll see what happens from there. See you later. Hi y'all, welcome back again. So, a little time has passed, and I'm going for my evening walk before it gets icky. I don't know if it's supposed to rain tonight or what, but I figured I would just go for a quick little walk to get some steps in for the night, because I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, or I don't even know. It's either tomorrow or Thursday, but I just want to get a walk in and see what the hell is going on. Yeah. Just to get some steps in, because I feel like I need to get some steps in. But yeah. It's so pretty back here. The sun is just kind of in the clouds. It's like hazy out here, but that's okay. I'm tired. I'm gonna keep saying that because I just feel awful. I thought maybe some fresh air would do me well, but I don't know what's going on. I had to clean my waterfall on the porch because it was a disgusting mess. It was plugged up. So I don't know what happened there, but... So yeah. Who knows? I think I'm gonna turn around here. Oh, God. Yeah, I feel really cruddy right now. Not feeling good. Like, usually I can go for a long walk, but not today. It's so nice that everything is greening up back here. My eyes are watering. I'm not crying, even though I would love to. I'm not. I'm just stressed. So yeah, I'm FaceTiming with Jolie and Katie tonight. I don't know what time. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how long I'm gonna be on there because I don't feel good. I really don't feel good today. No wildlife back here. What a shame. I think I put the clip in of the baby bunny. I'm not sure if I did though. I'll have to look back when I edit it. But I think I did. If not, it'll be on tomorrow's morning's intro. But yeah, so it's a decent day out here. It's not too cold. I mean, when the wind blows, it's cold, but you can feel the sun. We're starting to improve now in weather. It's supposed to start warming up. But I think I'm going to log off now. And I'll catch up with you all later. Hi, y'all. So, I'm getting ready to close the vlog here. So I hope everybody had a good day. And I'm gonna get ready to settle in for the night. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a good evening.